Alright guys, this is another video. I'm trying to show you what comes in that watering drip system. Alright. Let me stand up here so you guys, make sure you guys can see what I see. Alright, let's see. We've got some tags. These are pink. They sent a little bit of the tape, just in case, you know, you got some wire hoses dripping. And we've got a connector, another connector. I don't see any directions on this. You guys, wouldn't you be putting some directions, please, in here to show us how to connect this, especially for people that first time using the drip system? Alright, we've got the hose. We've got the little stakes you can put in the ground to hold your hose. We have got the little sprinkler systems. You can hook that up. We have some more of the little things there. And I guess, guys, I'm going to be watching a video how to hook up my drip system. You would actually think they would have something in here. And this is like where you can have like a sprinkler little system in there. And you can adjust these little, how much water you're wanting around that plant. I mean, I've watched some videos, but this company needs to update their system. You know, when these are, I think, goof plugs, so if you accidentally put a hole in the wrong spot. And I do not see a hole punch thing in here. And we've got the hose. I've seen it in the black hose. I've never seen it in the white, so I don't know how that is. And they also send you zip ties. So I'm guessing I'm gonna have to buy a little hole puncher, because they don't have it in here. You would actually think they would have it in here. It's supposed to be 152 pieces in here. I probably will be having to buy another little thing to go along with this. And I probably will switch over and get some of the black hose, because this here is not going to be enough for the high tunnel. And I'll probably get some more of this. Alright guys, this is the Walmart little kit. Be careful guys getting this, because there's no directions. I guess I will be letting them know there's no directions, okay? It kind of shows you on the website, but, you know, on Walmart. But it does not show you in here how to hook it up, and which ones to use, and which one of these are for what. So, alright guys, I may be hollering for some help when I start putting in this, and you guys may have to help me with some of this, because I've never put up a drip system. If you've put up a drip system, take and put down in comments, guys, me, and I will go check it. If you have a video out, please put in comments, say I have a video, and I will go watch your video on how to do this, because I'm gonna need your help. But I will link this down in the description and let you guys know. This in here I think was $20 something with tax. I think it was like 30. But see, I don't know about drip systems and stuff. I've seen some. I kind of have an idea, but I knew there was no punch in here. So we shall see. Unless with this one, you don't punch holes. You just use these, cut these little adapter things off and you put on. Yeah, that's this one. You can take in, cut your hose, put your hose on one end, put your other hose, and then you can run your line or whatever. You put your little adapters, little sprinkler drippers, whatever you want to call them. I think that's how this one goes. The drip system is, I was thinking of the one that you put the holes in, or they already, not the tape. I'm talking about something else. Alright guys, I'll put this down there. Y'all guys let me know if you guys have a video out there where I can take and let me know that you do, and I will go to your channel and I will find it. If I can't find it, I'll message you on one of your videos and say, hey, where is that video? Alright, love you.